Well, good evening guys. Welcome to this week's power angling insert. We're 5 minutes away from the Mpekweni beach resort at the Birah river, and we're throwing some little artificial lures in the river. Trying to keep quiet because we don't want to spook the fish, and I look like I hooked a little garrick here. Let him take there as well, eh?
Yeah.
He came with you. Well, you don't get much prettier than this. A juvenile little garrick or leervis, and it looks like there's quite a few of them in the river. It's such a beautiful fish to catch on light tackle. I'm fishing with 8-pound Power Pro braid, and amazing fight. When you touch it slowly in the water, you just get that lure moving a little bit, and they come and roll on it. So he actually turns on it 2 or 3 times before he actually commits onto it when he believes that it's a bait fish. Beautiful little fish. Let's get him back. What we're doing with these surface lures is quite technical. It's very still water and the pushing tide, and we're just throwing it over there's a bit of a sand drop off, and we're just twitching it slowly, working it slowly over that area, and hopefully as the fish glide along the drop off to look for prey, they see the lure and turn on it. Well guys, the tide's gone out now, and we're waiting a little bit further on this bank and throwing surface lure still. I'm actually throwing a little swimming bait, and we found these little garrick eating here. So much fun. We got beautiful surroundings. Down here at Port Alfred is absolutely stunning. Well, what we did earlier, it went a bit dead on this bank, I think on mid-tide, and we left here. We went to go see if we could find some other water. We haven't really experienced this place too much, so we came back here and seemed to find a few fish. As you can see, that little Strike Pro got him in the back. What actually happens is the garrick, these little garrick come up to the bait and they turn on it. And when he turns on it, because the hooks are sitting down, the hooks get him on the back, and that is typical of a garrick bite. He'll come onto the bait and have a go at it on top of the water, because that's what they do. They just smash mullet as they come past. They ambush on the drop-offs. As they come past, they just have a go at it. And a beautiful little specimen. I mean, these fish grow up to 30-40 kilos. We don't get them off, we don't really get as many that big, but we often get them sort of 15-20 kilos in the Transkei. Beautiful, absolutely stunning fish. Oh, it's so nice to be in the Eastern Cape. Okay guys, well that's the end of our little session here. It was fun. It's always nice on the light tackle, fun for the whole family. But we're going to go back to Mpekweni beach resort now. They always put on a great spread, get some dinner.